Nevada again.
We are.
It's kind of the middle of nowhere.
It is. It's kind of our home away from home, too, to get out in the middle of nowhere.
It's the Great Basin.
Well, yeah, and you can see it's a basin, and it's great.
It's great, and it's a basin for sure. But it's just, there's just not a lot going on out here, and there's these little small towns.
Well, there's like 2 of them.
Yeah.
This is one of them, McGill.
This is McGill, where the mills used to be for the mines. But we're actually heading to Ely, Nevada.
Right.
We love coming. This is Nevada Northern.
Right.
And it's this beautifully, I should say, restored. It's kind of restored. It's maintained. It's preserved.
It's historic.
But it's so much like it always was. It was just sort of abandoned by Kennecott Copper, and they've done a great job in restoring some of the equipment and mostly just preserving the place. One of the things I really like here is they have 4 steam engines.
Right.
One of them has never run. The other 3 do run. Well, one of them runs right now, and 2 of them are down for maintenance.
Right, number 40. That's my favorite.
And it's down for its long-term, federally required inspection. So it's going to be a while yet. But we come out here for the 4th of July.
It's just something fun to do.
This is just they do special trains out here, but for the 250th anniversary of America, they've even repainted this SD locomotive. And they renumbered it 250.
Right, I just love it. That's really cool.
And a beautiful, beautiful paint job on this. You can tell from the strange headlights that it used to be a Southern Pacific engine. But look at the beautiful paint job that they've got on this thing.
Oh, it just reminded me of 1976 when we had the 200-year anniversary and everything was red, white, and blue.
Well, that was a great party.
Oh, it has been, and it's fun to do it. 50 years later, is that? 50 years.
It's hard to believe.
Yeah.
One of the things they do out here for every 4th of July, this one's a little special, but every 4th of July they have a fireworks train.
Yeah, and I just can't figure out how in the world you're going to take the train to see fireworks.
We haven't done it before, so this will be a great adventure to ride the train out to the fireworks. And they're going to be pulling it with both of these engines, both the SD diesel and number 81, which has also been in for some minor repairs, and it's nice to see that back out on the tracks.
Oh, I'm happy.
I love the steam engines.
Yes.
Now, before the fireworks, of course, we have to have the 4th of July parade.
Right, and there's nothing like a small town parade to fill just like the 4th of July.
And we checked into a corner room at the Hotel Nevada so that we could overlook the parade from up here on the 4th floor.
Right, and that turned out perfect.
It's just the thing I love about these small town parades. You know, people say, wow, the big parades, you know, the Rose Bowl or Macy's. This is more like a rolling party.
Oh, it is. I grew up in a small town, and every 4th of July we had this little small parade and bicycles and kids and candy. It was a lot of fun.
Sometimes it's hard to tell who's supposed to be in the parade and who's just bystanders.
You're just all part of it. That's what's fun.
And people feel perfectly safe to just run out into the street and pick up candy. And, you know, you got to be a little careful. If you tried this at a big parade,
yeah,
you'd be arrested or something.
Right. They still keep them at bay just in case a float comes past. They don't want someone getting hurt. So
yeah, don't run in front of the truck.
Right, right.
But, you know, everybody is intentionally safe, and everybody counts on everybody else to be safe. And as long as everybody knows that they're going to be responsible, it's just fun.
Right.
And check this out, a 250-year birthday cake.
I'll bet there's 250 candles on there too.
I was going to count them, but I lost track at about
Yeah.
110. So
Wow, yeah, that's a lot of candles.
the neat thing is these candles all light up.
Yes, they do.
And the person who built this just took it back to his house, and then that night he turned on all the candles.
Yes, and it was fun because we saw it from the train.
And all the neighbors were coming over to look at the candles. 'Cause
That's wonderful.
it's that's small town stuff, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes.
That somebody just gets the idea that they're going to build a 250th birthday cake.
Right. Well, I was really glad that they had this little gizmo that gets people on and off the train with ease. There's a lot of people out there, including you,
Yes.
who have mobility issues, but fear not, the Nevada Northern Railway, they can accommodate ADA very easily.
Yeah, and I sure needed it.
Oh, it looked like there was quite a few people. You were in good company.
Yes. This is Conductor Bill.
Yes,
He's a fixture out here.
he is.
And he has these antique cars.
I was just going to say, I wanted to talk to him about his cars.
Yeah, he always shows up he's got a couple of different antique cars, and they're his daily drivers. And, well, he's just a fixture. I always look forward to seeing Bill.
Well, he's knowledgeable. He can tell you everything going on with the railroad and in Ely.
Here we are.
Now, we had some questions about just how in the world a fireworks train even works.
I was thinking we'd go up Robinson Canyon, they just set them off up there, but it's like that's just people on the train. What about the rest of the town?
Yeah, and it turns out what they do, they put both locomotives on. They take you up Robinson Canyon right around sunset.
Yep.
And then when they get back to Ely, they're going to cut out the steam engine and then take everybody over to an area in the switching yard where they set off the fireworks.
Right.
It's so cool.
Right, and it's good and flat. The town people can come out there on their own, and people on the train can sit on the train and watch. Oh, it's just fun.
And any excuse to take the steam train up Robinson Canyon.
Oh, hey, I could do it every day.
This is Lane City.
Right.
It's a ghost town here along the line, and there's a couple of buildings still standing, but if you start looking around, there's a couple hundred buildings in various states of collapse.
Right.
But this was the original town up the canyon here.
Right. I wish it could talk.
Boy, what a history. But this is the origin of the whole mining district right here. Lane City, and the original Lane City. It was gold and silver mine that never really paid out.
Right.
But then they found copper up here, and well, that did pay out.
As you look at both sides of the valley, you'll see a creek.
Well, we're arriving at Keystone Junction.
Right.
Now, this is the end of the line here in Robinson Canyon. It's where the mines are.
Uh-huh.
And originally, way back in the 80s when I first came up here, they were taking the train all the way into the mines.
Right.
But they reopened the mines, and you can see that they're pulling out all kinds of material here.
Yeah.
And anyway, with the mines open, they're not going to take the trains up into the mines.
No, in fact, that one bridge, they took it completely out.
Yeah, and but this is the Y here. They built the Y just for the scenic railroad, and right here at the foot of the mines. Just it's really interesting to see the
Yes.
whole mining operation.
No kidding.
Well, the sun is setting,
Right.
and now they take the train up into the old ore yard.
Yes.
And we've never been up here. They don't take the trains
Not
into the
usually.
ore yard.
No.
But from here, this takes you right into the golf course, and they set the fireworks off at the golf course. But isn't it convenient that the old ore yard and the golf course are right there together?
Right.
And just what a wonderful thing, because we were wondering how this was going to work.
I couldn't even imagine, but there it is.
Well, as always, this was so much fun.
Oh, I had a blast out here, as always.
Yeah, we love coming out to Ely.
Well, I was glad to see car 7 all restored, brand new generator, all new paint job. Looks really good.
Every time we come out, they do so much work here.
Right.
Everything is being restored and renovated, and the locomotives rebuilt. And it's just grand.
It is.
It's just grand to see what they're doing out here. And every time we come out, there's something new.
Right.
Well, it's a grand adventure, and hopefully you'll want to follow along with all of our Nevada Northern stuff. And we've actually got a playlist of Nevada Northern stuff, and I'll put that at the very end of the video here, a link to that. So you want to see that, and if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and you can do that by clicking on the upcoming blue button. Zoink! Right there, the blue button. Well, we're not sure how you found this video on the internet. We hope you didn't find it boring. And we will see you here next Sunday.
Right.
With some more fun.
Oh, yes.
See ya.
We'll see ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.